section. We're now in the Mississippian, older rocks, Mississippian limestones, principally Chester. Maybe if we go down there we would see Genevieve. Limestone below the Chester. You have the section on your handout. Behind Justin, what do you see? What sedimentary feature do you see in the limestone there? Yes, what is it? What is it? What did you say, Deborah?
Well, one's horizontal and one's at an angle.
All right. That's crossbed. That is crossbedding in the limestone. And there's no doubt about the direction of current flow when the crossbeds in the lower limestone were formed. What direction was the current flowing to form the lower limestone bed? Yes, from right to left. From right to left. By the way, that limestone, the climate around here is too cold for limestone to form. And furthermore, we're no longer covered by a sea. But the presence of that limestone tells us that at that time, about 325 million years ago, Indiana was south of the equator, about 25 degrees or so. Limestone is only deposited in warm, shallow seas. Yeah?
Is it flowing that way or this way since the stream's flowing?
The stream has nothing to do about the formation of those crossbeds. The lower crossbeds were deposited about 300 million years ago. The stream is flowing this way now.
But not. How did you tell it was flowing the other way? Or is
well,
that something
because the beds are inclined to the left, just like I drew here.
Because they're tilted to the left, the stream must be coming to the right.
Yeah. No, the current. You see, this is the orientation of crossbeds when they're deposited as ripples. They're tangential on the bottom, and they're inclined in the direction of the current flow. But actually, forget this arrow.
It should be the other way, right?
Yes,
okay.
This arrow here will refer to something else, I believe. Okay. So
I have no idea what you're looking at. I think
look,
I had it backwards. It should be flowing that way. Where are you seeing it on there, though? Where's
you see where the rock hammer is there? The beds there are inclined to the left.
Oh, okay.
And above them you can see the normal horizontal stenos bedding, horizontal bedding. Those inclined beds there are the cross beds. And I should really draw them over because I've got all sorts of crap on this drawing here, and it's really...
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay. You got it? Mm-hmm. Okay, so we can draw those cross beds really very quickly. Yes, you could. The limestone is deposited in warm environment. Warm. Only limestone is only deposited in warm environment. Remember, I explained that in cold water there's too much carbon dioxide, too much acid, carbonic acid. So these beds here are inclined that way to the lower left. And the current is like that.
Warm, relatively shallow oceans, less than 600 feet.
200 meters, yeah. Right. That's correct. Okay. Very important that you take a look at the lithology of that limestone. You got to chop off a piece. I'd rather you not chop off the stuff that's exposed. Chop off something that really you can't see very well, because we want to leave these structures for the future. But you've got to take a look at that stuff with a hand lens, because there's something special about it. And the limestone down here at the waterfall is different. So I want you to compare and contrast the two limestones. That limestone there is different than that limestone at the waterfall. You need to get on your hands and knees. You need to look at it with a hand lens. You need to look at a fresh surface. Oh my God! Orgasmic! You have a hand lens? Take a look at that with a hand lens.
Yeah, two people
Be on the spot.
Yeah.
So we can
that
estimate
didn't really need
this window, this is
Well, not necessarily. It's all shallow here.
okay, so
But the
Oh, I
current,
looked on that
current is
part.
flowing from right to left.
Oh, yeah.
That's
pretty
the
obvious.
direction of the current. The water is
Thank you.
moving in that direction.
Hold that for me when you can.
To whisper to me.
Hold the rack out.
I actually want to try to magnify.
No, that's not it.
Oh,
There's much more than that. Oh, you take a look at that.
Oh, I gotta look
You
again
gotta
then.
look, and you gotta let your mind really, what are these things I'm looking at? What did you see?
It's like little shells and pieces of.
Amy, take a closer look at it.
I have to
Amy.
too.
Yeah.
You see it?
We fail Limestone 101.
Yeah.
Did you see the lithology?
What is lithology?
Hold on, I want to just hold that for me.
Anyone?
I want to see if I can get this on the video.
Rockology. It's like
See if I can do this.
Okay.
If I can't, I can't. But I am all into this.
this means the mineral.
Yeah, all of it. Whether it's mineral sediments. Yeah. How the rock is
What are we
formed
looking for?
essentially.
Grains, I guess.
Something besides shells, apparently.
I saw lots of shells. I think I know what it's supposed to be.
Go ahead, give it to.
I need to take a
Yep.
Your mind
I know what it is.
what you think you are
Are you guys
supposed
looking?
to see. Your mind have got to blank, and you got to let your eyeballs see what is really there. Everybody's telling me fossils. Well, yeah, but there's something more to it than that. Pardon me?
But I only looked for like a half a minute.
You looked at the limestone.
That was, no, it was like a
You
half a
looked at
second
it with a
look.
hand. No, well, that's what I want you to do. Well, look at it.
What'd you find?
Take a look at a fresh piece.
Ooids and
Tell
fossils.
me what.
Ooids and fossils.
What do you see?
Is that what he's wanting us to find?
Did you look at it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.